Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, kindly consider subscribing, and to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. To my new subscribers, welcome to this YouTube channel. So guys, today we are going to be cleaning this fridge and the microwave, and again I'll be giving you a mini kitchen tour, so stay tuned. And if you're new here and you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. So guys, this is the upper compartment of the fridge. I've already removed the shelf and I've cleaned them. I'm already air drying them outside, as you can see. So the remaining part is cleaning the outer part of the fridge and the inner part of the fridge. Then I will return these shelves and into the fridge. So guys, tag along. I'm cleaning using a sponge and soap and water, and I had squeezed some lemon earlier in the water, so that's what I'm using. And then after cleaning it like this, I'm going to dry it up or wipe it with a clean piece of cloth. Now onto the microwave. I'm going to clean it with the sponge, soap and water, and then we will dry it up with a piece of cloth. So guys, if you are still here, kindly consider subscribing. Road to 400 subscribers. I'm really happy. Thank you for subscribing guys to this channel. Hope you fall in love with our channel, and thank you for those who always come back and watch our videos. I really appreciate you, and I don't take this for granted. Thank you, and thank you so much. After they are clean, I decided to first clean the floor, and then I'll give you the tour after cleaning the floor. Stay tuned guys. Much love. Clean, we really deserve a kitchen tour. So let me give you guys a mini kitchen tour of our clean kitchen. So guys, here we go. This is a beaded serviette holder. I was gifted by a friend as a gift. So yeah, This is where I put my serviettes. See? Like that. So guys, after cleaning, I had to prepare lunch for my kids, and recently I've just decided not to be a boring mom who cooks just white rice all the time. So today I was going to try a new recipe of cooking fried rice. So I'm going to be using these ingredients that you see here. First, I begin by chopping half of it and dicing it into small pieces. The remaining part, I'm going to preserve it in the fridge. I already did a video on how to preserve capsicum in a fridge, so guys, go and check on it. I'm going to put its link here. So guys, it's not difficult to preserve it. After cutting them into these small pieces, you just have to place them on a tray, then refrigerate them, then transfer them into a container, and hazitashikana ati zikuwe kimawe kingumu, but they will be one. You'll just be removing the amount you want and then use it and then return the others. So guys, after chopping my things, we are going to fry the onions and then add the tomato. After the tomato is ready, already I had pre-boiled the rice earlier. You have seen that part earlier. So after pre-boiling the rice, you don't let the rice to overcook, so that you fry it, provided that it feels soft and ready. That's it. Then you fry your onion until they are golden brown. Add your tomatoes. When they are ready, you add your capsicums and then the minji peas. Minji, yes. And then after adding your minji, and then you add your rice and let it to cook for a minute. Then you add the rice and that's it. If you are really enjoying this video, kindly give it a like and consider subscribing and joining our family. So guys, I had to do a presentation to present this food properly for my husband, because guys, I have never served him rice presented this good. He was happy in a way that he had to buy me a gift, a surprise gift. And you guys will be seeing the surprise gift in my next video. So stay tuned and subscribe so that guys you don't miss out. And kindly consider to leave a genuine positive comment below and remember to like the video. Hope this recipe inspires you to try it because this food was so yummy. Today and I feel really good.